chicken, chicken. Check out, check out. Expressions used in the hotel. Expressions used in the hotel. Client, receptionist desk. Hello, I'd like to check in, please. Hello, I'd like to check in, please. Do you have a reservation? Do you have a reservation? Yes, I have a reservation. Yes, I have a reservation. What name is the reservation under? What name is the reservation under? It's under the name Ali Mansour. It's under the name Ali Mansour. Could I see your ID, please? Could I see your ID, please? Your room number is 201. Your room number is 201. Enjoy your stay. Enjoy your stay. Thank you. Thank you. I'd like a room for 3 nights, please. I'd like a room for 3 nights, please. Do you want a single room or a double room? Do you want a single room or a double room? Can I see both, please? Can I see both, please? Sure. Sure. Do you have a room with a bath? Do you have a room with a bath? Do you want breakfast? Do you want breakfast? Yes. What time is breakfast? Yes. What time is breakfast? Breakfast starts at 7 o'clock. Breakfast starts at 7 o'clock. What time is checkout? What time is checkout? Checkout is at 1 o'clock. Checkout is at 1 o'clock. Can someone help me with my bags? Can someone help me with my bags? The porter will bring them to your room. The porter will bring them to your room. Thank you. Thank you.